If you walk into a library with a million books and they are all in one pile, you'll never find what you need. Biology is the same. To study millions of organisms, we use classification, also called taxonomy. Lesson 2. Classification of living things. 1. The hierarchy of life. We group living things into 7 levels, starting from the most general, kingdom, to the most specific, species. 1. Kingdom, the biggest group. 2. Phylum, called division in plants. 3. Class. 4. Order. 5. Family. 6. Genus. 7. Species, the smallest group. What is a species? This is the fundamental unit of biology. A species is a group of organisms that can interbreed to produce fertile offspring. If they can't have babies that also have babies, they aren't the same species. 2. The binomial system, naming. Every organism has a scientific double name. This is called binomial nomenclature, developed by Carolus Linnaeus. The first name is the genus, starts with a capital. The second name is the species, starts with a small letter. Rule: you must underline them separately when writing. For example, Homo sapiens.